Hello, 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 everybody. It's SalonDivaV and the place to be. My garden. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can. So I picked up some starts from my local HEB. Y'all, these starts was $1 and I think 50 cents for a start. When you go to the big box store and they're like what is it, 3 for $10 or something like that. So what come up, so I'm just leveling out this soil right here, and yes, I'm gonna pat it down because it's gonna shrink down anyway. So just doing that, getting it ready, and let me show you guys what I purchased. So if you guys don't know, HEB is called Here Everything's Better. So let me see, I have an Aristotle bell pepper, and the prices are not on here, but they were like $1 and I want to say 50 cents, something like that. This one is a cayenne pepper. This one right here is a jalapeno pepper. This one is a purple beauty bell pepper. This one is a tomatillo. And this one is a sweet banana pepper. So we're gonna get all 6 of these planted in, and then I have my so I left my spoons. If y'all didn't see my DIY with these, I took some wooden spoons from the Dollar Tree, painted it red, put some Mod Podge on it to seal it, wrote the name of what I was planting, put some more Mod Podge on it, and let it dry, put it in the garden. These are only $1.25, perfect for something that will last year after year, and don't have to worry about paint getting in the garden because the handles are silicone. All right, so I need to bring them inside so I can DIY those. And I'm just gonna use this good old water that was in here already. Throw that in there. Waste not, want not. All right, let's see. So what we're gonna plant first? I'm gonna wait on a tomatillo because I was told that I need 2 for them to fertilize each other. So I'm gonna wait on him. But let's see how far can I go down. I might have to bring some more soil over here. Let's bring some more soil over here. Can y'all see me? Can y'all see me? Let me move out the way so y'all can see me. All right. So I'm just making sure the soil is mounted up in this section. So when the roots go down, they have something to grab onto. Then it looks, let's bring it a little bit more. All right. That should be good enough. So I'm gonna do the banana pepper. This is tomato. This goes over here. I think I'm gonna do 3 right here. Y'all think I could do 4 right here? Y'all think I can make 4 work? I think I can make 4 work. Let's do this. Let's do this. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Oh, and y'all, these this container is pretty thick. It's pretty sturdy. To say the plant was only $1. We just tease the roots just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're gonna put him in there like that. I'm gonna put the sign. Look how big that label is. Come on, HEB. Come on through.
SalonDivaV is the place to be. SalonDivaV is the place to be.
$1 and some change. Peace. My cayenne. Right here.
SalonDivaV is the place to be.
Another label. Then we're gonna get to this Aristotle.
SalonDivaV is the place to be. SalonDivaV is the place to be.